that I'll never forget.
Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm here with another vlog for you. Today is Thursday, and originally I was supposed to work today, but I ended up asking for this day off too because there's just so much more to do, and I was just so extremely tired from the 2 days prior. I really felt like I was not going to be able to get any work done if I didn't have my apartment organized in some way, and you know, like I hadn't even taken my monitor out. It was just going to be a mess. So I ended up just asking for today off as well, and then tomorrow I'm back at work for Friday, and it's great because it's a half day, so it'll be good because then I'll have all like Labor Day weekend to just like get everything in order. I'm really happy about that. So for next Monday I should just be excellent, ready to go. I've done some unpacking. I can show you guys right now. As you can see, I've done some unpacking right over here. These are the boxes I've finished. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes unpacked. And then we still have to unpack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 left to unpack. So, and just to tidy up and clean. I've been doing so much cleaning because unfortunately they did not clean as well as I had hoped. Oh, also the walls have yet to be painted. Roberto, I'm assuming he is our super, I'm not sure yet, but he's the one who's painted the walls and did the cleaning. Sorry, Roberto. He hasn't done the paint job yet. He said he would have come today, but it's like noon and I haven't seen him, so I'm just like, where are you at, Roberto? I want beautiful walls again. But anyways, it's fine. I'm about to head out and grab some breakfast because like I said, it's noon. I haven't had any food yet. And after that, I have to go to Target and I have to pick up some cleaning supplies and a few other things that I need. That way I can just clean the bathroom really, really well. And again, continue unpacking this crazy mess. Also, outfit of the day, just joking, just outfit for errands. I really wore this yesterday and I'm gonna go out to get some ice cream later with a friend, and I'm probably not gonna wear this because she already saw me in it, but hello. So I actually did the closet, which is actually really nice, and it sucks that Brandon and I have to share it, but also it's fine. I think we've done a really good job at organizing. Whose side? Right here is my section, and over there is his section. And then I've got some baskets above. I think I have like accessories and bags and different things in there. Right there I have like my athleisure wear, and Brandon has all his stuff in there. And then we've got a suitcase in there. So next thing, update. I went ahead and I literally scrubbed the cabinets of my kitchen yesterday. Like got on a ladder and everything and scrubbed inside. It wasn't like food dirty, but there was definitely like dust up there. Like I don't think the last tenants really used their kitchen, but I had to go ahead and clean because like above it had accumulated dust and it was just kind of gross. Cleaned and disinfected all of this, and then this is kind of what we have going on right now. But I'm just gonna try to bring this down because I don't want to always have to step on a ladder to get up there. And also we're trying to get a bar cart, so these alcohol glasses aren't going to be here. I'm gonna have just regular drinking glasses here, our mugs there, and that's just gonna go in the bar cart. So I cleaned the stove, and he did a pretty good job at cleaning the stove, but I went ahead and like detail cleaned it because like underneath was kind of gross and dirty, so I cleaned that. I cleaned in between there, and yeah, I just cleaned up. I cleaned above the fridge, and so I'm thinking that because there's really not a lot of space in here, the good thing is look at how deep that sink is. That's like amazing. But what I'm thinking of is I'm gonna get like shelving so that I'm able to like use that as storage, and like a microwave is probably gonna go here. So there's obviously loads more to do, but it's still noon and I plan on getting so much done today. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and we shall see where we land. So I just got back from Target and wanted to show you guys what I got there. So first of all, I got myself a bacon, egg, and cheese from the deli, so that's fun. Got Brandon and I some milk and cookies. Ice cream, it's the best. I just got like cleaning supplies, honestly. So just like this little scrubber for in between tiles in the bathroom. And lastly, this to scrub some more. And then I had to go somewhere else because Target was all sold out of bathtub cleaners and stuff. Sorry, I'm like obviously moving y'all around. So I had to go and get like soft scrub from this other place. Yeah, that's all I got today. But honestly, we have so much more to get. This is my current setup right now. I'm about to have myself some bacon, egg, and cheese with, of course, the one and only Tapatio. And, of course, watching Young and Hungry. Didn't mean to like this show, it just happened, and now I can't stop watching it. But it's fine. I needed something to replace Broad City, and TBH, it isn't Broad City like at all. But this is fine. It's funny. Give it a go. You'll get. It's one of those shows that you just can't stop watching. You know what I'm saying? Super excited to give this sandwich a go, and maybe this will be my new deli. I don't know yet. I'm not positive. Also, are you guys obsessed with this brick wall? Because I'm obsessed. You guys, talking about Young and Hungry and Broad City, it's freaking Beavers! It's Beavers! Literally, what are the actual odds that Beavers was in Young and Hungry? What? I literally just talked about Broad City. This is ridiculous.
You're the chubby bundle of joy wrapped in blue.
Oh my god, it's Beavers! Okay, so we're going to the USPS store, and then after the USPS store, we're gonna go to Bed Bath & Beyond, and I just want to take you guys along. Oh my god, why would you do that? Can you tell that we've moved? Because that's all I see. Guys, so we ended up not actually going to Bed Bath & Beyond or anything like that yesterday, so we're gonna go today. And Brandon's probably gonna have to leave early because he has work, but wanted to take you guys along and then show you what I got after, because I promised you guys that and I want to make sure that I do it. So I'm gonna take you guys along and check back with you in a little bit. I hope you guys can hear me with this mask on. I don't know why I have it on already, but I'm too lazy to take it off.
You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to.
Hey guys, I just got back from the Bed Bath & Beyond, and I tried going to Trader Joe's, but the line was really long and I didn't want to. I just wanted to show you guys what I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. First of all, I got an iced chai from Starbucks, and I'm gonna try it now. I don't think it's gonna be as good as Puerto Rico, which is my favorite place where I lived originally. I don't know, they didn't have oat milk and I was really sad about it, but let's give it a try. Yeah, it's okay. Not my favorite, but I'll drink it. So let me show you guys what I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, also, before I show you guys, we took out our knives yesterday. So that's new. We haven't even used these knives yet, so it's really exciting. We also unboxed our Ninja. We only unboxed it to ourselves though. I'm sorry I didn't film it. I just got so excited. It's huge, so we were almost wondering like, do we need such a big blender? But in the end, we're only gonna have a toaster there anyway, and then we'll have this counter space, and that right there is counter space. I know it's small, but it's New York, so it's fine. Let me show you what I got at Bed Bath & Beyond since it's on the floor. I'm not gonna go up there. We just got some cookware. Brandon already went off to work, by the way, which is why he's not here. But I got these wooden spoons. There's a wooden like mixer, a spatula, and a sauce mixer, I guess. I'm not really sure what they're called. There they are. So it is the wooden turner, ideal for turning, lifting, and transferring foods. Wooden slotted turner, great for flipping burgers, chicken, grilled cheese, and more. So that's the spatula I was talking about. And then the wooden saute paddle, perfect for stirring, scraping, and chopping food directly in pans. So Brandon was right, since he loves watching Gordon Ramsay videos, he knows what all those were. And then I also got this paper towel holder. I'm thinking of either putting it like up here, that way it doesn't take up any space, or like that. So it also just doesn't take up any space at all whatsoever on this counter that is like very small. Brandon again likes cooking and watching Gordon Ramsay, so he wanted this citrus zester. I think it's cool. So that we got was only $4. Amazing. I have ice cream in the fridge, so I was like, we need one of these. So an ice cream scooper, it's a pretty basic one, but I kind of like the simplicity of it. There were some that were like overly complicated. They're definitely like easy to use 100%, but like it's an ice cream scooper. I don't need all the fancy stuff, and I think honestly the more minimal, the prettier it looks. I thought it'd be a good idea to have something with the lid for ice. That way it doesn't go bad, I know, or like nothing falls on top of the ice, especially since we're gonna be drinking it. But it's called the Good Grips, and it's covered silicone ice cube trays. I think it's a pretty color anyway. It's gonna be in the freezer, so I'm not too worried about it looking super beautiful or anything like that. But that is what I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. I think that's it. I was really hoping to find a trash can and other things, but this is what I have a lot more shopping to do, a lot more online shopping. Like I said, I need shelves here so I can finally buy my pans, and honestly it's gonna look so pretty, like having my seasoning just like stacked beautifully. I think that's gonna be a game changer. I also wanted to buy like something holder for my like spoon when I'm cooking, but this is too narrow. This is where the forks and knives are gonna go, but as you guys can see, it's literally tiny, so I definitely have to figure out how that's gonna work. Look at that little kahita looking dog.
Look, that pigeon just spotted.
Sugar is sweet, and the world doesn't sleep when you fall in apart. And once in a while, Prince Charming don't smile. In fact, he won't show up at all. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a past that we can't read. Don't you wanna go outside? So it go, baby, go, grow, baby, grow. I love you. I love you too.
Hey guys, so it's another day. Well, it's the day after, and yesterday was, yeah, it was nice. I went and went to TJ Maxx and Marshalls, which I totally want to like show you guys what I actually got there right now. But after that, I ended up, you know, going to hang out with Jake and Jason, and we got some appetizers. Yeah, and I hung out with Jake for a little bit, and yeah, he showed me his rooftop for like 5 minutes, and then I ended up going home. Today specifically, I'm most likely gonna go to IKEA. I'm gonna try my best, but the problem with that is that they close at 7, it's already 5, and I'm not sure, it like takes an hour to get to the IKEA, so might not be good to go today, but I'm gonna try. Other than that, I totally want to show you guys what I got yesterday at Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I always think it's so fun watching this part of like vlogs, like show me what you got please. I don't know if you guys are the same. Anyway, let me show you guys what I got at these places. It's fun. First thing I got at TJ Maxx, oh no, sorry, this is Marshalls, is a potato masher. You can't go wrong with these, and they are so cheap. I think it cost me only, yep, there it is, $5.99, and it's good. It's really good quality. I mean, it's KitchenAid. It's a masher. It's gonna work wonders for when I make mashed potatoes. So the next thing I got at Marshalls is actually a new set of towels. Brandon and I have been using like ones since like college. We've had them since college. So And that's like a few years, like 3 years later or something after we graduated. But anyway, so I got these. I thought they were so pretty. It's a yellow color. I think it's gonna look really nice in the bathroom because everything is white in there anyway. But look, they're so pretty. I thought the design was so nice. So the next thing is this shower caddy. The thing is, we're gonna return this, and that's because the original idea was to get this because we thought that ours didn't fit, because we thought that like this guy originally didn't fit it, like we thought it was too small, but we realized that that's not like actually what happened. So we're just gonna return this because ours actually ended up fitting, and yeah, so we're gonna return this boy. So what I got at TJ Maxx are these really cute towels. They're really nice, and I think they're gonna look really nice in our kitchen, especially because our kitchen is literally all white. And I don't know, I really love a yellow or like a mustard accent. I think it's so cute.
In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day.
So we got back from Bed Bath & Beyond. We did not go to IKEA because they closed at 7 and Brendan got home pretty late from work. But at Bed Bath & Beyond, we ended up getting a Brava. So it's like the Roomba's little brother type thing. That's it. Oh my god. She's so cute. I mean, he's so cute. Well, honestly, I don't know. We haven't named him yet. But it's so cute, and we're just having such a fun time watching him sweep for us. Yes, I want to say this is where the vlog ends for tonight. Thriving. Yeah, I think we're gonna end the vlog here, and we're just gonna go and relax now. So I'll talk to you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Ciao.
That I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October it feels like summertime.